In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise that's great for beginners. The right hand is going to be in classic pentascale hand positions on the white keys. The right hand is going to have broken triads in these positions, one white key moving up successively, one white key at a time. The C position, the D position, the E position, F, G, A, B, C, etc. Always 1, 3, and 5. We're not using our index or our ring finger at all. In the left hand, we're going to have open fifths, right? We're not going to use that middle tone like a triad would, just the outer two. And the fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we move up one white key at a time, just like we did with the triads. This one is also going to be broken. Bottom note, top, top. Once you get here, you're going to reverse the direction. So now this hand has 3 individual notes because of the triad. This hand only has 2. So how are we going to do this 3 against 2? I'm going to give you an easy way to do this. We're going to play the C's together and then the G's together. Okay, so the bottom notes together and the top notes together. And then the bottom notes together, top notes together. I move to the D position, then we would go to E position. F, G, A, B, C. Now we're going to reverse direction. G's are together, and then C's. And bring that idea or pattern down. All right, so here's the whole exercise. Keep that pulse steady. I'm not clapping for myself. Oh my gosh, I keep using that joke. But you want to keep whatever that pulse is exactly the same throughout. Tick, 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 tick. And everything being equally loud and struck at the same time when they are to be struck at the same time. And so be a good listener as well as get it physically. And have fun with that exercise.